This goes up at the end of the show, and it's the lowest price for the next 6 months. Only show at this low price of $24.98, a full platter from Temp-tations. I know they call it a bowl because it has that nice, deep space in it for your juices and your sauces, but it's a great big platter, 18 inches by 8 inches. So now, whether it's the centerpiece of your brunch or your breakfast or your Thanksgiving or even a cheese plate, you've got it covered with Temp-tations, and of course, you get all the benefits of Temp-tations, which means it's wonderful stoneware. You could put it in the dishwasher, the microwave, so on and so forth. We'll talk to you about all those details, but here are the color choices because they're going quickly. We have it for you in Old World, which you'll see right up over here. We have the gray. $5 on Easy Pay. H227252 is your item number. We have it for you in the taupe. Come on down over here. I have it for you in the confetti. There's your blue. There we have it for you in the green. Now, we also have it for you in seasonal. We have poinsettia, and we also have winter whimsy. But if you want winter whimsy, that is going quickly. H227252 is your item number. Absolutely do not wait on that. Come on down over here. We've got a couple more color choices for you in floral lace. This one is your cranberry. We also have the red. There is your black. There is your cobalt blue. Right over here, I have the taupe. And then last but not least, I have it for you in the gray. Okay, Tara Tesher, come on in here, my friend, with over 21 million sets of Temp-tations sold. This happens to be one of my favorite pieces that you've brought to us this season because it's the most usable all year round.
Yeah, and it's absolutely a platter. So I love what you were just saying there. 18 inches in length. And here's what I love about it. It's not just a big square, like, platter that you put out on your table. It's elongated. So what does that mean? It means that it has that squoval shape. So that means that you get, again, a lip here on the side. So your charcuterie board, your gravies, your sauces, everything that you're going to want to put on it will stay put. You have the cutout of the helper handles here on the side, the beaded detail if you're picking up floral lace, rope detail if you're picking up Old World, and look at how beautiful that silhouette is. So that's what we love. When you hold it from the side right there, absolutely stunning. Look at that.
I was just going to say, I'm done. I'm done. Thank you very much. I'll just take this bottle of wine and this cheese plate, and I'm done. I mean, look at this, Tara. You really did bring us not only, of course, all the details that we love of Temp-tations, right? And if I needed to put this in the microwave, in the oven, in the dishwasher, I can do that. But I actually have a usable piece. I don't think I would ever put this away. I think I would leave this out for fruits on my kitchen counter when I'm not using it to entertain with. But then I could easily just convert it into this, a cheese plate. Oh, by the way, I got to give you an update on what's going on. Winter Whimsy sold out. Okay.
Oh.
Hold on one second.
Oh,
these are going quick.
Cute.
Winter Whimsy gone. Come on over here. We do have poinsettia. If you want that, not a lot to go around. 5 payments of $5. Only about 1,000 to go around. And we've got more than that people on the phone lines waiting to place their orders. Here we have it for you in the, this one is the one that we're calling taupe. In Old World Gray, Old World Green, Old World Blue, Old World Confetti, which mixes all the colors. Down over here, I've got it for you in the floral lace. I'm going to just show you. Look at that.
I was just going to ask you if you could show the profile. Thank you. Because really, it's all about the food is in the center of it, but the profile, that color saturation that runs all the way around the edges, it's on all of the pieces.
Yeah, so that one's the gray. Here we have the taupe. There is your blue. That cobalt, I'm just going to show everyone.
Thank you.
I can't
Please,
not.
thank you,
it's
thank
so
you. Look
gorgeous.
how gorgeous that is.
Look at how pretty it is. There's your cobalt blue. We have it for you in the black. And then we have the red and the cranberry as well.
Yes.
H227252. We are busy. What about when we've got over 3,000 people on the lines placing their orders? If you wanted to create like that perfect breakfast buffet, right? You're just bagels, you're Jimmy the Baker, any of the muffins that you're maybe making for yourself, or any biscuits. This is so beautiful. It looks like you put so much time and effort in, but it's because you put it in the right vessel.
You're absolutely right. And notice that it's wide enough that we can layer some of our ramekins in. So if you want to put honey in there or you wanted to put jelly, look what we did here. We have our beautiful fall dessert, right? Where we just literally cut right on here. Remember, metal utensil safe. So this could be something you bought. This could be something that you baked. And remember that all of these pieces go in the oven up to 500 degrees. So you literally can bake cookies on here. This becomes your cookie sheet. It's your serving platter. And it's beautiful because it's elongated. Look at what we did here, Alberti. This is right in your wheelhouse. We're going to show you in a minute a centerpiece where we just put some flameless candles. We put some zhuzh, some leaves, and little fall pumpkins inside here. And to your point, this could be your seasonal centerpiece that you leave on the center of the table and you just swap out for every season. You put some greens and some red bows for holiday, and Easter you have some sweet eggs and flowers. The greatest gift ever.
How about this, right? You're invited to a party, you don't know what to bring. For $24.98, you get the platter home. Maybe you bake something yourself. Maybe you put in some of the items that you purchased here at QVC, like Mrs. Printable's pretzel rods and Jimmy the Baker individually wrapped muffins or sweet rolls. You can do that and bring them to someone's house. It's just like the most beautiful, thoughtful gift. It's better than a gift basket. How many times have I received a gift basket, Tara, and I don't know what happens to the basket, right? It gets tossed.
Right.
Here,
it falls apart usually.
Yeah, and this is something that you get to use over and over again. One-time only price. Price goes up at the end of the show. Lowest price you're going to see it at from now till March. What happens between now and March? Well, Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year, Valentine's Day, St. Patrick's Day, all of those wonderful times. Easter, I don't know when Easter is this year, but even if you ordered it after March, I don't know if it would get to you in time for Easter. Here are the color choices that we have left. The easy pay, the price, everything goes up at the end of the day today. Here it is in the poinsettia. If you want that poinsettia, about 800 left to go around, okay? Here we have for you all of our old world colors. Right up here in the front, this is your confetti. Back here, I've got it for you in the taupe. Here is the blue. Here is the gray. And then there is your green.
Can you show the profile on that one too, Alberti, while you're there? Would you mind?
Of course,
just so they can see Old World has the hand painting all the way around the sides as well. So all of that hand painting, all of that detail. Not just the center of the platter is painted, it's all painted.
Last call in green. Last call in green if you want it, okay? Then we have it for you in the gray floral lace, which I'll show you again. Pretty.
Beautiful.
My absolute favorite is this taupe.
The taupe?
Oh.
It's so neutral. It's so farmhouse chic. If you're thinking about gifting for less than $25, a beautiful platter that they could use time and time again. I love that. Oh,
Then we have it for you in the cobalt blue. Here's the black. Last call in black. You want red. Red is there as well.
Oh,
and then
so pretty.
Last call in red. And if you want cranberry, we are last call in cranberry as well. Fewer than 100 to go around in each of those choices. We are very busy. This is a only show at this price. 6,000 people have placed their orders, and more than 1,000 of those people have picked up more than one, because at this price, at this easy pay, this will not last, and well more than half of our quantity is spoken for. $5 on a credit card. And Tara, for anybody that's wondering again, right, so 8 by 18, right?
Yeah.
It's like the perfect size. The perfect size.
It's elongated silhouette, right? So you have those cutout handles. You know, when I'm asked to create something, that centerpiece of your table that's going to have maybe the beef on the center of it or the turkey, right? It needs to be beautiful. The fact that it's not just a flat platter where everything's going to spill over, it actually becomes a baker as well, where you have, again, room to layer things on it if you're using it as charcuterie, or if you have all of those gravies from the turkey, you could do a beautiful sliced turkey breast down here, or roast beef. I love the salad. Lisa and I were talking about the salad earlier. The fact that it's not just thrown in a bowl and like you're digging and digging and digging forever. It's beautifully presented and everybody can help themselves. It's just the better way to serve things.
Asparagus. Imagine a caprese. I love the fact that you did the turkey roast all the way down the center. Here are your color choices, and we are pretty much at the end of this, okay? If you want it, now's your chance to pick it up. $5 on a credit card. Price goes up at the end of the show. I don't know if this is going to be here at the end of the show, and many people are picking up more than one. Poinsettia, right over here. We've got for you, I'll go across the back first. There is your taupe. And then we also have the gray in Old World. Over here we have the green, the blue, and the confetti. We are last call on the green, and I only have a dozen or so left in the green. If you want the floral lace, we've got gray, taupe, cobalt blue, black. Oh, blue sold out, black sold out, red sold out, and cranberry sold out. Okay, don't look at any of those.
Oh, thank you, everybody.
If you want floral lace, we have gray and taupe. But they're going quickly. Listen, pick those up today at $5 on Easy Pay. Remember, you have a holiday return policy in effect until the end of January 2022. H227252 is your item number for that. Tara, my love, you're going to be back.
Yes.